this is a very special corner. Wait a minute, I think they've stolen my bike. Right, so what's going on, guys? Welcome to a new video on the channel and welcome back to the Yamaha MT10. Today's going to be a good video as it's the very first bike night of the year. So today there's a bike night at the local Triumph and KTM dealership here in Dorset. So we're going to be taking this bike along, have a nice little ride there, and yeah, hopefully it's a decent turnout. It's not one I've ever been to before, so hopefully it's a good time and I hope you enjoy the video. Now we are on the bike. I just want to say a massive thank you as well, this will probably be a couple weeks after I actually hit it, but in real time I literally have just hit 1,000 subscribers on the channel, which to be honest I'm over the moon with, because just a few weeks ago I posted on my Instagram saying how 1,000 subscribers was kind of my goal by the end of the year. But in the last week the YouTube channel has been going so well, been getting so much support, so I only have you guys to thank for that. So huge thanks for all the support on the videos. I'm glad to see that everyone is enjoying them, and I hope you continue to enjoy them, as I'm definitely going to be keeping this up, as yeah, I'm super pleased, so thanks for that. It's that time of the day, we have a tunnel. Oh, this bike is ridiculously loud, but it sounds so good. And in a minute we will be getting to Triumph. Oh, here we are, Triumph. That looks like there's a good couple bikes, maybe. Here we are. Decent turnout considering the rain. Looks like there's a decent amount of bikes, so take a look around what's here and hopefully it picks up a bit more as well. That is an awesome colour on the Rocket 3R bike. I really do want to try out at some point. I mean, just look at the size of the tyre on it. That's bigger than some bikes' rear tyres on the front. Absolute beast of a bike. What is it? 2,500 cc's. Definitely need to try them at some point. Wait a minute, I think they've stolen my bike. It's funny to see, same top box and everything. No exhaust though. Now this is a very special corner. You've got MV Augusta in here as well. And wow, these bikes really are pieces of artwork. Can't get much more special than that. Almost give me vibes of kind of like the Pagani of the bike world. Wow, that is beautiful. Awesome lineup as well. Britale 1000. These are supposed to be pretty crazy. A very funky colour on this as well, which I like that a lot actually. I'm a fan of bold colours. And then that is just wow. I don't think you can get much more special than that when it comes to bikes. And the colour scheme to match it makes it just a bit more special. Well, if Batman had a bike, this would be what he would have, I think. Honda Fireblade, completely blacked out dark screen. That looks very neat. Right, so it's quite a quiet bike night. Obviously it still kind of is in winter, and the rain's probably put some people off, so it's a bit quiet. So we will go for a little bit of a bike ride now and enjoy the bike a bit. Oh, she sounds good. hops are ridiculous on this bike. It's quite a nice evening actually, bit of a sunset in the end. Nice roads coming. Alright, so there you have it. Hopefully you enjoyed those sound clips. Massive thank you to my girlfriend for, as always, being my #1 videographer. But yeah, it's nice to be able to fully open up the bike and use it now. It has been all fully run in. So yeah, I'm gonna head home now as it's getting dark and you probably can't really see much, and have a chilled and careful ride home, and I will catch up with you guys when we do eventually arrive home. Right, so I completely forgot to even outro the video yesterday, so you now join me on the next morning, which is now much nicer weather. Like I did say a bit in the video, it's a shame that the bike now wasn't a bit busier, Obviously it was hard to get that many clips when there wasn't all that many bikes there, but I suppose that's kind of expected as we are still in winter, and it was nice nonetheless to go to the very first bike night of the year, as I'm very eagerly anticipating the summer season this year. So yeah, good fun anyway. Hopefully all the riding clips and the flybys kind of made up for it and helped make this an enjoyable video for you guys. And as always, I hope you did enjoy. Thank you very much for stopping by, and like I did say earlier, thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. It means a lot. But yeah, hope to see you in the next video, and cheers guys.